A major drug peddling attempt was foiled in Bishalgarh on Thursday, where the police managed to seize an auto-rickshaw containing a substantial haul of illicit brown sugar and apprehend its driver. A notorious jail-returned drug kingpin identified as Abhijit Saha managed a narrow escape from the scene.
According to local reports, the incident unfolded before the Bishalgarh police team could arrive at the designated spot. Alert locals acting on a tip-off regarding an ongoing drug transaction caught the peddlers red-handed. As the locals moved in to intercept the suspects, Abhijit Saha, a notorious drug criminal, realized he was cornered. In a desperate bid to evade capture, Abhijit Saha mounted his motorcycle and sped away from the location at a high velocity before anyone could physically restrain him. Despite the kingpin's escape, the locals managed to trap the accompanying battery-operated auto-rickshaw used to transport the narcotics. The Bishalgarh police forces arrived at the scene shortly after and took formal custody of the vehicle and its driver. A thorough search of the auto-rickshaw yielded a significant consignment of contraband brown sugar.
আমি তো এনটি লয় কোন থেকে জায়গাটার নাম কি অফিসলা থেকে আর কোন থেকে আমি আর কোনখানে যাই না ছোট অফিসলা থেকে কি আনো কোটা আনে আর কি আনো আর কিছু আনে না আর ওখানে এনো বিয়ার লইতাম হইছি
The driver was immediately placed under arrest and the vehicle was impounded for further legal proceedings under NDPS Act. Reporter Abhijit from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.